Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I'm ready to open my surprise package. And as I said, it's not doll related at all. And I haven't said anything about this, I don't think. Actually, no, I didn't. So, I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day for this to get delivered. And it finally got delivered. And I am beyond excited because I've been wanting one of these for forever and a day. And since my birthday was recently and I had a bunch of birthday money, I decided to treat myself. So, this was completely bought on my own. Just gonna make sure that you can see this because I don't want to record this and then realize it's not recording. Okay. Okay. Here's the receipt that you guys don't really see. Just gonna see interesting stuff. Alright. So excited for this. I bought myself a Wii U. I bought myself a Wii U because I've been wanting a Wii U for a really long time now because they have a bunch of games exclusive to the Wii U that I've been wanting and I've been really wanting to play. And I'm a huge Mario and Luigi fan, so I ordered the Mario and Luigi Deluxe gift set, I guess you would call it, or bundle, there we go, bundle, and it comes with new Super Mario Bros. U, which I wanted from the very beginning, and new Super Luigi U, so it's all about Luigi, which I love Luigi. So excited, because I've used my Wii for all this time, and it has all this awesome Mario packaging on it, which I think is really cool too. So, let's see. Okay, here's Super Mario Luigi U plus Super Luigi Bros. U. It's on one disc, so that's great. And here's my guide or instruction manual, which no one needs anymore. So, let's see what this is in this section of the box. So I've got power cord. Another power cord. I don't know what these are for yet, but we'll figure it out. And here's another cord. A new Wii sensor bar. And another, thing of some sort. Let's see what this says. Okay, this actually looks to be some sort of. Oh, I think this is the dock. This is the charging dock for the big controller. I forget what it's called. The gamepad. All right, now the big part of the bundle is the system. So here is the gamepad, which is very special to the Wii U. Oh, it opens on the big side. Duh. Okay. I just ripped it, but okay. So here's the, oh my god, it's so shiny. Look at this. Oh, this is so cool, guys. I can't wait to play. I just sounded like a weirdo. Play. Yep, I was right. It's the gamepad. And then the actual system itself. So, well, I'm a doll lover and a gamer. So. I don't play anything hardcore like Call of Duty or anything, because that's my brother's realm of gaming. That's Polly squeaking to say hello. Yes, Polly, Mommy's making a video. So here's the system itself. I got the black 32 Deluxe model, and Wow, this is so cool. So this is way different than the actual Wii itself, which I actually have right over here. So I'm gonna turn my thing here. So here's my Wii U. Excuse my regular Wii. Please excuse my messy thing. There's my regular Wii, and I just got this tree topper from my American Girls Christmas tree. And then here's the Wii U. So the biggest difference the Wii U has compared to mine is that it's black, and my Wii is white, because this is the very first original Wii, and I have a bunch of stuff here. So there's the Wii U right there next to the Wii. It's not the same in dimensions, I'd say. So there's also this stand, and there's 2 other stands, which I'm assuming are for the Wii itself. So these are like little cradle stands that are for the system that I guess you just lay wherever you put in the system. And okay, or not. Oh wait, yes. You flip this over, and there's little slots in here and little thingies here. I'm making a video. What do you want? Yeah, I'll be down in a minute. Okay. So you stick it on like that, and it's the same for the other side. And you stick Wii U down like that. I'm gonna move my beautiful peace sign vase that I made. Push this back. I'm gonna need to do some setup clearly before I can play, but here's my, what is this? Ironically, sitting here is new Super Mario Bros. Wii, which my thing is not going to focus on because it's terrible quality. But I'm so ready for this. And I'm so happy that I finally have this thing. I've been wanting one for ages. Here's my Wii U thingy. And here's the little pamphlets. There's a guide in, I'm going to guess, Spanish. And then we've got a pamphlet in French, I'm going to guess. And we've got a pamphlet in English. And then here's the operations manual, which will be very helpful considering I have no idea how to use one of these. And quick start guide from setup to gameplay, and it tells me how it all works. So I'm going to use this teeny tiny pamphlet that I got 3 copies of in 3 different languages, and use it to, what's it called? Set up my Wii U. I mean, first I have to plug it in. I'll probably make an actual video of that happening. And here's my new game that came with it. And here's the desk. There's both of them, so there's a bunch of stuff on the outside, which is super cool. And here's a recycling thing saying, you can recycle me. I'm recyclable. Save the environment. So yeah, I'm gonna make a bunch of videos with this baby, and I'm gonna have to go feed my dog now because that's how I bond with my puppy, and I honestly don't know what this is for yet, but I'll learn what it's all for when the time comes. So, oh wait, okay, this clearly gets flipped over here. But anyway, thanks for watching, and that was my opening video of my new Wii U, which I'm so happy about. I bought my Wii U with my own money, my birthday money from my family and my relatives that they gave to me. A bunch of different people pitched in. They don't know it yet, but they did. So yeah, I'm so happy and I'm so ready to play. So I'm gonna go feed my dog, and I'll make a video on setup when I'm done plugging this baby in. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Usually I'm still ripping stuff up, trying to get it going. I've been waiting, literally I've been waiting all day for this to arrive. I knew it was gonna come today, and I was so excited Oh, that's why I have 2 plugs, because one of them's for the actual Wii U, and one of them is going to be for the gamepad to use to charge. Okay. So, take my new bar. Looks the same as my old one, so I might just leave my old one up there and plug my old one into my Wii U. Okay, we'll use that as my knockerdle. Here's my little USB piece from my board. So yeah, Wii U have given me a run of fun, and oh, there's 2 different plugs. You know what? I'll figure this out later when I'm not on air. Or on video, I'm not on air. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my opening video for my new Wii U. Stay tuned for some, actually I have a lot of videos I need to upload, like a lot of opening videos and reviews of different things. So stay tuned for all of them, and I will also be doing play videos and stuff like that for my Wii U, since I'm so excited for this, clearly. And the reason I'm still babbling is because I'm really quickly trying to untangle all this stuff and untie all the cords so I can plug them all in and get set up. And I'm not doing that in one video, and I really should stop. So if you're still listening to me babble, you can just go, because I don't think I'm going to have anything important to say after this. And I'll just make new videos when there's actual fun stuff for you to watch. So you can just go now. And I'll go too, because this is a complete waste of my time. Talking to you. Well, it's actually not, but you get my point. This is a complete waste of battery and stuff. Camera battery. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my opening of my new Wii U. See you guys soon. Bye.